Good evening, I'm Angel Dean, and I'm going to discuss about the collaboration that I have observed in my fieldwork. When I was doing the discrete child training for Brian, not his real name, I came across a speech therapist for several sessions. During Brian's previous year in school, he was evaluated and found to have a speech language impairment besides autism spectrum disorder, and he had begun receiving speech therapy earlier that spring. I've worked with Susan, a speech language pathologist or therapist. She works closely and diligently with me to collect sufficient data needed in order to provide additional services. As I've worked with her for several days, we work collaboratively to develop social stories in order to teach Brian school rules and routines in this coming school year. As I collaborate with his teacher in school to develop positive behavior supports and teach behavior expectations through the use of discrete trial techniques. The same techniques will also be used during his small group pulled-out sessions in speech therapy with Susan and in the areas of reading and writing. The idea of collaboration with specialists is when we all work together to form important professional and personal relationships. Teachers and specialists often draw support from each other and can delegate tasks that allow each and everyone to feel effective on their interventions. My collaboration with the speech therapist was successful. In the midst of shaving away at the students' behavioral challenges, we used collaborative efforts and techniques to make changes to his speech, language, and academic skills. In speech therapy, Susan focused primarily on his motor speech deficit in a small group sessions with one or two other students, and I also inquired about how this was being accomplished and how can this new program work on his reading skills. Together, we used various aspects of phoneme sequencing program for reading, spelling, and speech. It was great collaborating with her, as I look forward to work with the other team consisting of the SPED teacher, gen ed teachers, and ABA therapist. Thank you.